Now it's an L26. I'm going to be rebuilding it and doing my best to get it back to its stock original condition. It'll be my first engine build, so it's exciting.
With an aspiration for a road trip over the summer, as well as the Z needing suspension and steering work, I thought, what better time than now to rebuild the engine as insurance that it'll perform and feel like new when I'm driving over the summer. The 1974 Datsun 260Z 2.6 liter is among the rarest of the Z series. With 1 year of production in the United States, it is seen as more rare than the 240Z, even though it's less desirable. Given that this car is a numbers matching 260Z, I want to keep it original. I'm planning street build, although I haven't ruled out the autocrossing. I'm going to use a stock cam so I won't sacrifice low-end torque, but I'm going to amp it up a little bit by porting and polishing the cylinder head, and I'm also going to shave and shim it to increase some compression. I plan to use new piston rings, bearings, and I'm going to be cleaning the interior block surface, removing casting flash to make oil flow easier. This isn't going to be a complicated engine build, but it's my first, so enjoy as the weeks progress. One thing I forgot to mention is that I am going to be doing two what I would consider performance upgrades. Be doing a lightened flywheel as well as headers as an exhaust.
Alright, so I've done all the prep work to pull the engine. I got the manifolds, I've unbolted and undid all the wiring, and now I'm just undoing the engine mounts, and then be good to go. Got the lifts, got the engine stand. I think, though, one problem I'm going to run into is that I'm going to have to go to the hardware store to get longer engine bolts so that it'll actually bolt up to the stand, because it's I read the online that that's a problem. Alright.
It took a full day of work to remove this engine, but it wasn't too hard. Following simple steps outlined by forums and videos, I tackled this engine by writing out the items I needed to remove, the steps I needed to take, and how I was going to do it. You just need a little determination and hard work to get your engine out. Hopefully this inspires you, the procrastinating car mechanic. Yes, I know, I've been that way too, to remove your engine and finally do a rebuild on it. Watch as the following weeks and months progress for videos as I am rebuilding this as we currently speak. So there's plenty of content that I'm going to upload and release this coming spring.
Now the engine's out. Took a while, but didn't give me too much trouble. There it is. Now it's an L26. I'm going to be rebuilding it and doing my best to get it back to its stock original condition. It'll be my first engine build, so it's exciting. 4-speed transmission. Just document some of the stuff so I don't screw up too much. Get the light real quick. I want to make sure I can put this thing back together. There we are. Alright. Until next time.